Good evening, sir. Abhishek, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. We are here on day 4 of Maha TAT crash course. And today we are going for paper 1 environmental science. आज आपण एन्व्हायरमेंटल परिसर अभ्यास इंग्लिश माध्यमातून एन्व्हायरमेंटल सायन्स या विषयी अभ्यास करणार आहोत. तर सर्वांचं मी स्वागत करते. दळवी फाउंडेशनने ही आम्हाला संधी दिली त्याबद्दल मी खरंच आभारी आहे. So I am very grateful for Dalvi Foundation who has given us the opportunity to guide student teachers, and they will be held the teacher quality level ups with the confirmation of this exam. And we update ourselves day by day. In every field we need to. So it's opportunity for us also to have this exam and be successful in this exam. So let's start today's environmental studies. I will start the PPT. This is our day 4 for environmental and excuse me a minute. So environmental studies, in which we learn as a part in 2 parts, science and social studies. So in classes, the book itself is named as Environmental Studies 1, Environmental Studies 2. So here are some guidelines for us to study, and then we will cover the textbook topics. So it's from class 1 to 5 for paper 1. So paper 1 के लिए हमें class 1 से class 5 तक टेक्स्ट बुक स्टेट बोर्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टेट बुक्स रेफर करने हैं इस सब्जेक्ट के लिए. So here are some topics जो कॉमन है हर क्लास में. For science, it is our body, health, cleanliness, external, internal parts, bones, muscle. Chapter wise, they have subdivided in classes as it is needed for the age group. Then digestion, respiration, nervous system, excretory system, circulatory system, and first aid. In my family also starts from class 1. We have family tree, migration, changing structures of family, nuclear families, and festivals. Next comes our occupations, where places are discussed, and the helper. So in society, we had to work as a team. We need helping hands, and who are these people and what they work for. So detailed given in each in the classes as the students upgrade themselves. So occupation, child labor, games, logical, national, international, martial arts, effects of game on respiration and breathing, circus. So next come is plants and animals. This is the major part of our science is covered by this topic in each class, and yes, students need to study these things. So plants and animals in our surroundings, plants and animal products, parts of plant, photosynthesis, part of flower, pollination, fertilization, fruits and seed. Now, here comes our different categories ahead. Wild and cultivated plants, wild and domestic animals, their foods, and the arrangement of teats in animals. Now, our food. Here comes our balanced diet, our healthy, health depends on our food. So we have to study our food also, and students need to study that food, categorization, how vitamins, minerals are helpful. They are not eaten directly, but through our food. So they must understand. So different types of food, storage of grains, vegetables, storage of food, food as animal, husbandry, nutrients of fruit, deficiency, disease. Now, when we don't eat that food, we have some diseases. So lack of minerals or vitamins create a disturbance in health, and that is called diseases. So we have to understand so what to eat and what not to eat and how to eat balancedly. So it helps, learning these things at this age also helps us. Now, next comes the shelter. So need different types of houses, electrical appliances, their use, social life ants. As classes are graded, animals are introduced and their shelters also introduced. Next comes our air. Air, importance of air, composition of air, atmospheric pressure, disease spread through the air, and their prevention. Then comes our air pollution, which is the main topic. In the end of the at the end of the uh, uh, every class, I think they have covered this some topics under this air pollution and water pollution also. So air pollution causes, its impacts, measure to prevent greenhouse effect. Next comes our water, important resources, aquatic flora and fauna, measurement of liquids. Here is the second part. Water pollution, as the air pollution is there, water pollution also is there. So its causes, its impacts, measure to prevent, purification of water, how we can purify it. Next comes our, solar system is also there to study. So latitude, longitude, movements of Earth, how it rotates around the star. Then comes our local time, standard time, temperature, atmosphere, rainfall, incidence of Earth. So everybody is interested, though it's easy, but when comes to a figure and proper answer, we have to study hard. Now, our country, where is our country? Location, area, the physical structure, climate, natural resources, historical places in India, population, minerals, and industries. Here comes our EVS part 2. Some topics we have to cover in class 3. We learn as a proper state Maharashtra, the location, physical features, climate, crops, clothes, food, their culture. Then comes our civics part, state government, gram panchayat, mandal parishad, municipality, municipal corporation, local emergency services, our state symbols, history and civilization. Then comes in fourth and fifth, there is a period, historical period discussed before the Shivaji, after the Shivaji. So when Shivaji Maharaj was there. So ancient monuments, religious movements, some, uh, you know, uh, uh, they have discussed about the socialization, how different people live together. So we have Jainism, Buddhism, Bhakti movement, great personalities, and Indian freedom movement and modern India. So Indian Constitution, we have fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles. Now, I want you to go through the. Some may have textbook, but some don't have textbook. So I will prefer you to go through the titles of the topic, the PDF of each and every book of state board English medium, also Marathi medium is available on net, which is free. You can download anytime. So here are the topics. You can go through. These are the same topics which I have discussed it earlier. So this is for class 3. there is only one book. In class 4, 2 books are separated as EVS part 1. So I have brought you to show this is EVS 1. If I got the time, I will put the PDF of each book in the chat box also after some time. So this is the third class book. Class 3, this is the environmental studies book. Now here comes our fourth book. This is environmental studies part 1, which is indexes I have given here. Next books is Shiv Chhatrapati, standard 4. This is environmental studies part 2. So here is the book, and here is that their index. Now next comes our environmental studies part 2 for this is the history, civics, geography of class 5th. So as you see, topics are given. So we have to go through the topics also. There are textbooks of each and every, yes, there are textbooks of each and every textbook available on e-library. You just put e-library state book, state board books, test books. So there comes, you can choose the medium, you can choose the class, and you can download it. I will just after or before I leave, I will put all the PDF links here also, so you can directly download from them. So today news again updated here. This is the GR, and which says our exams have postponed. So if any of you, do not panic why exams have postponed. Why though? Because it should not impact your studies. Move on, study hard. Whenever is the exam, you should be ready, whether it is 30th October or whether it is the date declared. So do not panic. Panic why hall tickets are not downloaded, or why exam has been postponed. So let's concentrate on the studies. Do very well, because we are doing family duties, we are doing our school jobs, we are doing many things with our studies. So give at least minimum 2 hours of a day for your studies, even if it is postponed. Don't be relaxed. Please go through the studies. So here comes a practice session. I want you to give, direct question and answer. So, it will be more knowledgeable and practice for you. So I will start the questioning part here. So you may answer in chat box. So I will, I will say orally, because for PPT, it's very hard to get all the questions one at a time. It takes too much time. So it's better I say and you just answer it, and we will cover more questions we can do for today's session. Okay, here comes our first question. Seaweed, important friends are. In seaweed is in the plant which is in the, found in water. So options are chlorine, uh, second is bromine, C is iodine, D is iron. So which of these, I will say, mineral, the answer is C here, because algae comes under the seaweeds and it is used to make iodine. Okay, so C, iodine is the answer. Next, Monal is the state bird of which state other than Uttarakhand? A, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, C, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya.
Shilpa ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay, I
Teachers
will
are-
repeat the question. Monal is the state bird of which state, which other than Uttarakhand? So first state is Arunachal Pradesh, B is Jammu Kashmir, C is Himachal Pradesh, and D is Meghalaya. So answer is C here. Thank you everyone. Now next, the unit of measurement of thickness of ozone layer is, what is the unit of, unit of measurement of ozone layer? So it's decibel, if it's Dobson unit, it's Pascal or Weber. So answer is B, Dobson unit. Now next question is, the purpose of social forestry is A, environmental management of forests with the aim of helping in social and rural development. B, consolidation in rural areas. C, protection of wildlife. D, development of pastures. So I will repeat. I will repeat the question. The purpose of social forestry is environmental management of forests with the aim of helping in social and rural development. B, consolidation in rural areas. C, protection of wildlife. D, development of pasture. So answer first one is A. Very good. So here is the answer. Environmental management of forest with the aim of helping in social and rural development. Very good. So no, ma'am, I'm just orally giving the questions. So no PPT for the questions. Okay, next one is, when moving from pole to equator, then biodiversity increases or decreases? C, remain constant. D, none of this. It increases. Very good. Next, in which region of India maximum landslides occur? Northeastern mountains, Himalaya, Western Ghats, Nilgiris, or Northern Ghats? In which region of India maximum landslides occur? Northeastern mountains, Himalaya, Western Ghats and Nilgiris, and D, Northern Ghats. Yes, maximum number of landslides occur in Himalayan region of India. Very good. Next question is, human environmental relation is a dash concept. negative concept, positive concept, cognitive concept, or all of this? Human environmental relation is a dash concept. Negative concept है, B positive, C cognitive, D all of this. So answer is B positive concept. Very good. Green plants are always the first link in the food chain. Okay. So options are they are widely spread, they are attached to soil, they stabilize atmosphere CO2 in sunlight, or D, they have roots. Why green plants are always first link in the food chain? They are widely spread, they are attached to soil, they stabilize atmospheric carbon dioxide in sunlight. D, they have roots. Yes, the answer is C. Very good. They stabilize atmospheric carbon dioxide in the sunlight. Now here comes our some figured question. What percentage of Earth's surface is surrounded by water? 60%, 71%, 77%, 80%. B, 71%. Good. Feminine plants die from flowers because the cell juices of plants become diluted, respiration stops in the root, plant cells juices become concentrated, the excess of water brings nutrients out of the plant. C. The answer is C. The plant cell juices become concentrated. Okay. This is the question. World Environment Day is celebrated on which day? 22 March, 22 April, 5 June, 15 June. A, 22 March, B, 22 April, C, 5 June, D, 15 June. Yes, the correct answer is 5 June. Very good. Now, what is DDT? DDT, what is DDT? Weed preventer, biodegradable degradable pollutants, non-degradable pollutants, and D, antibiotic. What is DDT? Yes, it's a non-degradable pollutant. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Very good. Which one of the following energies never cause environmental pollution? Nuclear energy, solar energy, coal, or petroleum? Which one of the following energies never cause environmental pollution? Nuclear energy, solar energy, C, coal, D, petroleum. Very good. It's the answer is solar energy. Now, the question about the lowest layer of atmosphere is called dash. Tranquility, stratosphere, ion bond, ozone chamber. Lowest layer of atmosphere. Tranquility, stratosphere, ion bond, ozone chamber. The answer is A. Yes. Disease called kwashiorkor is caused by deficiency of what? Carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, iodine. QUASARCORE. The disease called kwashiorkor. QUASARCORE is caused by the deficiency of dash. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, iodine. disease called Kwashiorkor, Quasarcore is caused by deficiency of carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, iodine. So it is caused by protein, okay, deficiency of protein. In the process of photosynthesis, the gas released by green plant is dash. In the process of photosynthesis, the gas released by green plant is carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, none of the above. A, carbon dioxide, B, nitrogen, C, oxygen, and D, none of the above. Yes, the answer is C, oxygen. Very good. Now, the which vitamin is destroyed by polishing of rice? Which vitamin? So, it's ascorbic acid, calciferol, thyroxine, thiamine. So they have underlined it. तो विटामिन बी का दूसरा नाम भी है कुछ, आपको अगर पता होगा तो एज अ टीचर वी शुड नो ना, so that's why. Right, the correct answer is D, thiamine. That is vitamin B1. Now next, cloves and saffron are derived from which part of plant? Root, stem, flower or fruit? Clove and saffron are derived from which part of plant? Root, stem, flower or fruit? Flower. Very good. Energy is non-instructive. Nuclear energy, solar energy, petrol or diesel? Non-intrusive. Which energy is non-intrusive? Nuclear energy, solar energy, petrol or diesel? Yes, it's solar energy. In which state of India did Pani Panchayat start? Kerala, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. A, Kerala, B, Rajasthan, C, Andhra Pradesh, D, Maharashtra. Yes, so Pani Panchayat starts in Maharashtra. Ozone layer prevents which rays from the sun? Infrared, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, none of the above. Ozone layer prevents which rays? Yes, C, ultraviolet rays. In 1992, the first Prithvi Sammelan related to environmental protection was held in which city? Copenhagen, Rio de Janeiro, Washington or Stockholm? In which city environmental protection was held in which city? Yes, B. If A, frog eats a grasshopper and then energy transfers from product to decomposer, from producer to primary consumer, from primary consumer to secondary consumer, or secondary consumer to primary consumer. How is energy transferred? Yes, from primary consumer to secondary consumer. So which of the following pairs of processes distinguish plants from animal? Distinguish plants from animal. Respiration and reproduction, mitochondria and centrosomes, chlorophyll and purification, nucleus and cell art. So it's a C option, chlorophyll and purification. Most of the trees are found in lithosphere, hydrosphere, or C in the atmosphere, or D photosphere. Which sphere it is? This is the layers of earth. Which A, very good, lithosphere. Animal that lives on dead animals are called dash. Parasite, decomposer, scavenger, omnivore. Yes, C, scavenger. Very good. Excessive use of pesticides will result air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, all of the above. Excessive use of pesticides will result air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, or all of the above. A, yes, answer is correct. Air pollution. What is metallic stone called? Bitumen, bauxite, metallite, ore. What is metallic stone called? Bitumen, bauxite, metallite, ore. C is the answer, metallite. Okay. How is earthquake measured? Beaufort scale, decibel, Newton, or Richter scale? Yes, D is the option, correct answer. Now, cause of rise in water level in oceans. Melting of ice in polar region, excessive rainfall, acid rain, none of the above. Yes, first one is correct, melting of ice in the polar region. Okay. Next comes our question in dash indicates flora and fauna of the place. Trees and animal, fishes and plants, animals and fish. And the option is birds and plants. The dash indicates flora and fauna of a place. Trees and animal, fishes and plant, animals and fish, birds and plants. A is the answer, trees and animals, right. Salt which absorb water is called hygroscopic salt, anhydrous salt, hydrophilic salt, hydrophobic salt. A option is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question, please. Which of the following is an example of air pollution? Smoke and smoke, gas released from vehicles, gas from burning wood or charcoal, all of the above. Which of the following is example of air pollution? Smoke and smoke, gas released from vehicle gas release from burning wood or charcoal, all of the above. Yes, the option is correct. By which unit is noise pollution measured? Joule, decibel, Newton, nano unit. Yes, B option is correct one. Okay. Sometimes we have a pedagogy of of science and social study questions are also asked. So here is the one for you. The following is the most appropriate teaching method. Sim and dictation and the work given, seminar and action plan, lecturers and dictation. The best teaching method, appropriate teaching method. So see, now in NEP also they have told us about that. So I will repeat the options. Symposium and dictation and the work given, seminar and action plan, and D lectures and dictation. Yes, the correct answer is C. We should have seminar where the students should present themselves and they should have some action plan also. Right. The next question here is, Titan is the natural satellite of which planet? Mercury, Saturn, Venus, Earth. Titan. Yes, the correct answer is Saturn. So we have to understand that also. Next come our who is the nearest planet to the sun? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury. Yes, Mars is the answer, correct answer. So next question is, primary consumers in the organic community are dash, non-vegetarian, omnivorous, vegetarian, Detroit. Primary consumers in the organic community are non-vegetarian, omnivorous, vegetarian, or Detroit. Yes, the answer is vegetarian. C option is correct. Now, dash is a unicellular microbe, Spirogyra virus, Paramecium, या Hydra. Yes, please. I can't see the answers. Can you, in chat box, please? Yes. Now, next question is, which microorganism is responsible for making curd? Aspergillus, Streptococcus, Retrovirus, Lactobacillus. The microorganism responsible for making curd. Yes, D is the answer. Just give me a minute. I will ask from now textbooks. Just give me a minute. We shall start now. Which of the following animals is a herbivore? Buffalo, crow, tiger, or cat? Yes. Next, name the plant whose leaves are used as vegetable. Mustard, brinjal, potato, banana. A, mustard. Very good. Next, which of the following food items is not a milk product? Chapati, cream, ghee, or cheese? Right. A is the answer. Find the odd man out. Carrot, honey, milk, curd. Very good. So here I want to discuss some points here. Components of food, classification of food, like carbohydrate. We have carbohydrate. We have carbohydrate divided into cellulose, starch, and sugar. Next comes our fats and oil. Next comes our minerals, proteins. And we should, there are some points related about food, which I will tell you now, that our food contains the 7 components of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, water, and roughage. That is waste product. Or microphobes, you can say. Next is carbohydrates are the chemical compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. They might ask you. So you should know that carbohydrates are the chemical compound of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Next is fat are concentrated source of energy. They contain lesser amount of oxygen as compared to carbohydrates. Now, proteins are building blocks of body. They are needed for growth. Yes, proteins are building blocks of body. They are needed for growth and maintenance of the body. Now comes here, vitamins and minerals are essential in some quantity. They help in different body function and in maintaining the good health. Due to deficiency of protein, vitamin, minerals, many diseases are caused. There is a list and you will find it in textbook only. So I will, I will just put the PDF links of textbook after some time. Now, next, water is the essential for many life processes. It performs many life processes. Next is excessive loss of water from the body leads to dehydration. It can be prevented by taking ORS. Now, what is ORS? ORS is the oral rehydration solution. So now, how is cleaning of food happens? So means from field to our plate. What are the processes the food is gone through? First one is threshing, and by using sticks, they beat that food grain, spreading airheads on the roads, using bullock carts and rulers. Winnowing is done. Sometimes hand picking is needed for food to pick up. Then next is sedimentation process is there, filtration process is there, and we have to learn about these processes also. So I will just ask some questions from now as I have read out some points. So I will ask some questions related to it. So starch is tested by dash solution. Which solution it is? HCl, salt, caustic soda, or iodine? Yes, the iodine is correct. Now, which of the following are not energy-giving foods? Cooked rice, a slice of fruit, raw potato, or groundnut? $42. Yes, raw potato is not giving energy. Now, next one is find the odd man out. Meat, butter, soybean, pea. Meat, butter, soybean, pea. Yes, butter is not the direct source, no? So that's why butter is the answer. Here comes the fat question. No? Excess of fat-rich food may result in first one is scurvy, rickets, defects in vision, obesity. Yes, obesity is the answer. So now we are having air and water topics. I have told as earlier. Then comes the functions of parts of plants. So and no parts of animals also. So I will ask the question collectively from plant kingdom also and animal kingdom also. So here is the first question. A germs with a single species is called atypical, monotypic, polytypic, and D is typical. Yes, very good. Now, ICZN was adapted in the year, which year? 1970, 1974, 1960, 1964. So you can write it here. ICZN was adopted in 1964. Okay, which is not the following, which of the following is not a category? Genus, order, ecotype, species. One of this is not a category. Ecotype. Yes. Next one is, who among the following developed the concept of phylogeny? Hippocrates, Ernest Haeckel, Linnaeus, Lamarck. Yes. The answer is Ernest Haeckel. B option is correct. Now, lady finger is actually dash. Rich gold, cucumber, okra, or smooth gold. Yes, the C option is correct one. Thank you. The next question. Cockroach has dash. 2 types of eyes, 3 types of eyes, 1 type of eyes, none of the above. Cockroach has 2 types of eyes, 3 types of eyes, 1 type of eyes, none of the above. So the answer is A, A, 2 types of eyes. Right. Now next one is, here is the easiest one, we may say. Earthworms are dash harmful, useful, more useful than harmful. Which option is correct? Harmful, earthworms are harmful. A, B is useful. C, more harmful, more useful than harmful. The answer is more useful than harmful. Okay, here comes our plant cell and animal cell. So, centrosomes are absent in dash. Germinal cell, epithelial cell, nerve cell, all of the above. Yes, nerve cells. The answer is nerve cells. Next one is blood platelets are nucleated cell fragment. C, non-nucleated cell. D, non-nucleated cell fragments. The answer is non-nucleated cell fragments. Okay, now here comes our measurements. So measuring distance and moving things. Standard units. So first one is meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin. Types of motion also is they are in 5th class, I think. Transpiratory motion, linear motion, circular motion, random motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion, multiple motion. So may I repeat here, please? Types of motions are translatory motion, linear motion, circular motion, random motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion. So let's do some questions around it. So velocity is dash. Scalar quantity, zero quantity, vector quantity, equal quantity. It's a vector quantity. How it is vector quantity? Because velocity tells us direction also, na? So it is a vector quantity. Which of the following is not a vector? Electric field, kinetic field, linear momentum, acceleration. Which of the following is not a vector? Electric field, kinetic energy, linear momentum, acceleration. B, yes, right, kinetic. Now, distance and time का जो ग्राफ होता है वो क्या बताता है? So distance time graph denotes acceleration, velocity, speed, area. डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम ग्राफ अगर हम निकाले तो हमें क्या दिखाएगा वो? एक्सेलरेशन, वेलोसिटी, स्पीड, एरिया. Yes, speed. They will show speed. Very good. I will give you one theoretical practical question here. You have to solve it and give me the answers. Okay. So here comes. A body is dropped freely from the tower. अगर tower से हम drop करेंगे 180 meter height से, the height is 180 meter. Height means distance, obviously. 180 meter. Write the units also, because if you have to change the units, you should know about your units also. 180 meter. The time required to reach the ground shell will be. कितना time लगेगा? One is A is 6 seconds, B is 7 seconds, C is 8 seconds, D is 15 seconds. So I will give you 1 to 2 minutes if you can solve this. The body is dropped freely from a tower of 180 meter height. The time required to reach the ground shall be, here consider G is equal to 10 meter per second. They have given. Once they have given, you have to use G as they are saying. So G here is 10 meter per second square. Hope you are solving. Okay, I will repeat the question here. A body is dropped freely from a tower of 180 meter height. The time required to reach ground shall be A 6 seconds, B 7 seconds, C 8 seconds, D 15 seconds. The G is given 10 meter per second square. And solve it later. It's the 6 second answer. Okay. Let's do the natural resources topic. What are the natural resources topics? Renewables, there are two. We can differentiate between two renewable sources and non-renewable sources. So as you know, renewable sources are those which can be repeat and we can use again and again. And non-renewable sources are which once we are used, it is not coming back to us. So I will ask some questions around it. Which of the following is inaccessible resources? A is sunlight, B groundwater, C sea, and D coal. Yes, the correct answer is sunlight. Very good. Next question is, which of the following pollution causes acid rain? A, soil pollution, sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Which of the following pollution causes acid rain? Soil pollution, Sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Yes, air pollution. Now, green revolution is related to A, agriculture industries, B, industries, C, water transport, D, afforestation. Which green revolution is related to what? Agriculture, industries, water transparent, water afforestation. So yes, green revolution is related to agriculture. Very good. So I will ask the next question here. Central Rice Research Institute is situated at what? Cuttack, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur. '28. The Central Rice Research Institute is situated at Cuttack, Kolkata, Chennai, or Nagpur. Yes, the answer is correct. Answer is Cuttack. What is the main different effect of deforestation on environment? Increase in greenhouse gases, desertification, show avalanche या soil erosion. जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो रहा है वो किसका है? इंक्रीज इन ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, yes, soil erosion. Very good. Okay, now here are some different acts which I think you should know. Which one pair is correctly matched? Huh? Which pair is correctly matched? First one is first forest policy. Which year? So first forest policy 1896. B option is Indian Forest Act 1927, Forest Conservation Act 1981, National Forest Policy 1950. Which pair is correct one? Yes, Indian Forest Act 1927 में आया था. This one is the correct answer. Okay. Now here is I think this is the important question. Which factor plays a minimal role in soil erosion? Rock characteristics, vegetational, topographic या climatic? Which factors plays a minimal role in soil erosion? Rock characteristics, vegetational, topographic या climatic? Yes, first one is correct. Thank you everyone for answering so long. You are very patient and practicing this much only, like this only, you have to learn ahead. Next one, which of the following is renewable source of energy? Petroleum, coal, trees or kerosene? Renewable source, which one is the renewable source? Yes, B is C. C is the answer. Correct answer is trees. How can trees be a correct answer? मिनिमम कौन सा हम बार बार यूज कर सकते हैं? कोल यूज कर सकते हैं? लेट मी नो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ट्रीज और कोल? तो coal is used again when trees are burned, they become coal, and coal can be reused again and again till it become ashes, so we can consider it. Next, the soil transported by air is called alluvial, alluvial, glacial, colluvial. Yes, the A is the answer, alluvial. From this topic, I will ask this last question here. Which one is not an effect of green revolution? Increase in pollution, soil exhaustion, D, decrease in irrigated area, D, decrease in use of organic manure. Which one is not an effect of green revolution? Increase in soil pollution, soil exhaustion, decrease in irrigated area, decrease in use of organic manure. Increase in soil pollution is the correct answer. So let's move to a new topic. Energy. Yes. So which of the following does not belong to a group formed by others? Steel, glass, iron, tin. Which of the following does not belong to the group formed by others? Steel, glass, iron, and tin. The answer is B. Very good. Next is the unit of pole strength is ampere by meter square, ampere by meter, ampere by meter square. The unit of pole strength. Yes, the option is B here. So guys, you have to go through this topics again and again to learn, and I will just share the links of the books here in the chat box. Abhishek sir, you can share the feedback link here and Teacher Talk app. I will just share the Teacher Talk app here with all, where they can ask the queries about TET exam.
Yes, ma'am.
I am sharing the Teacher Talk app. You can share the feedback link and Teacher Talk app link also. If they don't have downloaded from Play Store, they can download it from there. Here is our Teacher Talk app. So as I have logged in earlier, मैंने पहले ही logged in कर लिया है, इसलिए वो मुझे डायरेक्ट आ गया है. आपको लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा. Then it's very easy. Your name, your Gmail, your mobile number, and if you give the address also, there are many things which are available here for offers for teacher. Here comes. Here are the many things which are available on Amazon and Flipkart. But here teacher discount is also given, so you can have that things because you can get your points also, and you can lower that price for that thing. Now here is the discussion form where we put discussions. यहाँ पे आप अपना कोई भी मुद्दा डिस्कशन एज ए टीचर आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. सब टीचर्स जो यहाँ पे आते हैं वो आपको आंसर करेंगे. जैसे हमने अभी टीईटी क्रैश कोर्स के डिस्कशन फोरम बनाया जहाँ पे आपको आपकी क्वेरीज को आंसर किया जाएगा. सो here they have put the queries. For Marathi also they have a separate link because they might have the things related to the Marathi subject. Now here you can write your queries and we will answer. Here is the news feed. If you want to post some things, discuss with teacher or give your article, your blog writing, you can post it here so everyone may read and find it interesting also. There are many opportunities on this app. We have job offers also here. So if you are searching a job, you can have some jobs here, which many institutes also logged in and put their jobs. They update it very much when it is there. So for job offerings also, this app is very good for teachers as they are helping freely. So there are events where there is an event site. Each Friday we have event from 5 to 6:30. 5 से 5:30 बजे तक हमेशा हर टॉपिक रहता है. नवंबर महीने के भी अभी नए टॉपिक डिसाइड हो रहे हैं. न्यू स्पीकर्स को बुलाया जा रहा है जो हमसे रिलेटेड डे टू डे हमारे टीचिंग और लर्निंग को बहुत इम्पैक्ट करेंगे. शायद हमें अच्छे अनुभव आएंगे. अब तक जिन्होंने भी अटेंड किया है उनको बहुत अच्छे लगे. सो आई काइंडली रिक्वेस्ट इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन टीचर टॉक फोरम, please do download it from Google Play Store and you will have these benefits from the Teacher Talk app. So thank you Abhishek sir. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अभी?
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful session, and I hope teachers are learning from this course.
I would love to tell about tomorrow.
Yeah.
We have for paper 2, same math and social studies. On Saturday, please do visit because हम Saturday को paper 1 का पूरा उनका 150 मार्क्स का पेपर एक एज अ होल हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ताकि आप उससे बेनिफिट ले. तो पहला पेपर 1 then paper 2 will be discussed on Saturday. So many tips will be given for how to appear, how to आपका जो टाइम लिमिट में कैसे आप कम से टाइम में ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करने चाहिए उसके टिप्स भी मिलेंगे. सो प्लीज ज्वाइन ऑन पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2 also. Now as exam has postponed, even CTET date is filling form is 25 25 अक्टूबर तक भर सकते हैं। तो जिन्होंने टीईटी भी एग्जाम भी भरा है, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप सीटीईटी भी भरे, ताकि आपको जहां अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले आप उस स्कूल को ज्वाइन कर सके। By giving CTET, you have opportunities for our other boards also, other than state boards. और अब तो ऐसा है कि मुंबई स्टेट स्कूल्स में भी, इवन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स भी कुछ स्कूल को कैम्ब्रिज बोर्ड, कुछ स्कूल को सीबीएसई बोर्ड अब भी रिसेंटली इसी साल बनाया है उन्होंने। सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के अंदर सिर्फ स्टेट बोर्ड के ही स्कूल है, हमारे पास सीबीएसई स्कूल भी है, और कैम्ब्रिज बोर्ड भी उन्होंने अभी बाहर नहीं गया है, लेकिन मुंबई में तो उन्होंने कुछ स्कूल हायर किया है जहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट में कैम्ब्रिज बोर्ड इज they have applied from this year on, from this academic year. So बहुत lots of opportunities है। अगर आप अभी भी सोच रहे हैं तो जल्दी से आप 25 अक्टूबर तक CTET का भी फॉर्म फिल करके, इट्स अ वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट। एक बार आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया डिस्टिंक्शन मार्क्स में, तो वो लाइफ लॉन्ग आपको हमेशा काम आने वाला है। सो इवन महाराष्ट्र TET इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट कि एक बार आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया तो वो आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग काम आने वाला है। जैसे कि हमारे BEd डिग्री लाइफ लॉन्ग है, हमारा ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री लाइफ लॉन्ग है, हमें बार बार नहीं देना पड़ेगा, एक बार में ही काम हो जाएगा। तो अभी आपके पास अगर टाइम है तो प्लीज फिल CTET ऑल्सो इफ यू, एंड नाउ यू हैव गॉट मोर टाइम। आप सोचिए कि ये गुड लक ही है कि आपको दिवाली वेकेशन में भी शायद पढ़ने का टाइम मिल जाए। सो डोंट पैनिक अबाउट हॉल टिकट नाउ, प्लीज डाउनलोड आफ्टर 27 और 28 अक्टूबर। सो आप हो, और कल फिर से आप अगर आपका पेपर 2 पे आपने अप्लाई किया है तो जरूर आइए यहाँ पे। कल भी ऐसे ही हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थ्रू पॉइंट्स थ्रू डिस्कशन टॉपिक्स थ्रू डिस्कस करेंगे। Thank you very much. I have posted the links also. You can download directly from there also textbook. Class 1 और Class 2 का ऐसा है कि Class 1 and Class 2 के जो स्टेट बोर्ड के बुक्स है वो डायरेक्टली टेक्स्ट बुक उन्होंने दिया नहीं हुआ है इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए। School uses their own publication, or sometimes they use Navneet, sometimes they use other boards schools also. तो इसलिए हम लोग क्लास 3, 4, 5 को ज्यादा रेफर करेंगे, और क्लास 1 and 2 उसी टॉपिक का लेवल 1 या लेवल 2 होता है। So don't panic about that class 1 and class 2 books also. Thank you very much. Thank you for the day. We will meet tomorrow.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek sir.
Same link tomorrow, same timing.
Yes, yes. You have to join the same link. Link बदलती नहीं है. Same timing 5:30 to 7. Please be assured on Friday and Saturday अभी और 2 दिन हम लोग साथ में रहने वाले इस क्रैश कोर्स के लिए. Thank you everyone. So I'm leaving. May I take your leave now, everybody. Thank you for being there till last, and I wish you all the best for your exams. Abhishek sir, you can go ahead for sending the feedback link also.
Yes, ma'am. I have already shared the link and the link for the app. If any teachers want to register, they can register, download and register themselves. And in case they want to use any referral code, so referral code I am posting in the chat.
Okay, thank you
You
very
can,
much.
yeah, they can use the referral code.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We can close the meeting for today.
Thank you.